Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Today we'll see worksheet of Science and Technology Part 1, 6th chapter, Refraction of Light. Students, before writing the answers in the worksheet, don't forget to write your name, your division, and your roll number on the front side of the worksheet. First question is, select the correct option and write only the alphabet corresponding to the correct option. 1. The change in the direction of propagation of light when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another is called dash, and the options are A. Dispersion, B. Scattering, C. Refraction, and D. Reflection. And the correct answer is option C. Refraction. 2. When a ray of light travels from air to glass slab and strikes the surface of glass slab at 90 degree, then it dash, and the options are A. Bends toward the normal, B. Bends away from the normal, C. Passes unbent, and D. Passes in zigzag way. And the correct answer is option C. Passes unbent. 3. Out of the following, dash has the highest absolute refractive index, and the options are A. Fused quartz, B. Diamond, C. Crown glass, D. Ruby, and the correct answer is option B. Diamond. 4. The absolute refractive index dash. Options are A is expressed in diopter, B is expressed in meter per second, C of air is about 4/3, and D has no units. And the correct answer is option D has no units. 5. Dash light is deviated the maximum in the spectrum of white light obtained with a glass prism. Options are A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Violet, and D. Blue. And the correct answer is option C. Violet. 6. Dash light is deviated the least in the spectrum of white light obtained with a glass prism, and the options are A. Red, B. Yellow, C. Violet, D. Blue, and correct answer is option A. Red. 7. A glass slab is placed in the path of convergent light. The point of convergence of light dash. The options are A. Moves away from the slab, B. Moves toward the slab, C. Remains at the same point, and D. Undergoes a lateral shift. And the correct answer for this question is option A. Moves away from the slab. 8. We can see the sun even when it is a little below the horizon because of dash, and the options are A. Reflection of light, B. Refraction of light, C. Dispersion of light, and D. Absorption of light. And the correct answer is option B. Refraction of light. Question 2. Find the odd one out and give reason. Reflection, neutralization, refraction, and dispersion. Students, odd word in this group is neutralization because it is associated with a chemical reaction between an acid and an alkali. Others are phenomena associated with light. Question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. 1. The incident ray and the refracted ray of light are on the opposite sides of the normal at the point of incidence. Students, this statement is true statement. 2. The refractive index of a medium such as glass does not depend on the wavelength of light. This is false statement. 3. In dispersion of white light by a glass prism, yellow color deviates the least. This is false statement. 4. In vacuum, the speed of light does not depend upon the frequency of light. This is true statement. 5. In glass, the speed of violet ray is less than that of red ray. This is true statement. 6. In material medium, the speed of light depends on the frequency of light. Answer is true. 7. The velocity of light is different in different media. Students, this is a true statement. 8. The wavelength of red light is close to 700 nanometer. This is true statement. 9. The wavelength of orange light is greater than that of blue light. Students, this is a true statement. Thank you, students. Very soon we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye. Stay home. Stay safe.